Welcome back to the next session, students. Defects in solids. Some defects, some imperfections in the solids created the defects. For example, the perfect crystal exists only at a zero temperature, zero Kelvin temperature. If the temperature increases, slowly it will come to the starting to random in motion. So that is called thermal motion. In a thermal motion, it creates some disorder. So what disorder means? Go in here and there, it will go around the. So what that is disorderliness means what entropy is increases. So what entropy increases this thermal motion, it created many effects, mainly mechanical stress and electrical conduction will be affected and optical activity also will be affected. Let us see the effects. All the effects can be found in a electron microscope. We can notice this. This type of defects is imperfections and vacancies. With these two causes, we will get a defects. So due to imperfections, due to vacancies are created, that is divided into two defects, point defect and line defect. So that is point defect alone, your syllabus, we are going to see this impurity, stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric. So impurity defects are a extrinsic defect due to doping some impurities, and stoichiometric defect is intrinsic defect. So thus intrinsic defects will changes with the temperature, not adding any impurities, only by heating. So we are getting four types of defects. One is Schottky defect, Frankel defect, vacancy defect, interstitial defect. Schottky defect and Frankel defect are undergoes in ionic compounds, and vacancy defect and interstitial defects are undergoes in non-ionic compounds. Let us see one by one. First, we will see the impurity defect. Impurity defect is due to the extensive, it's called as extensive defect because externally we are going to doping some impurities. For example, AgCl we have taken an example, it is a monovalent. We are going to small amount of cadmium chloride to be doped into the AgCl. This is divalent, silver is a monovalent. So AgCl gives Ag plus and Cl minus, cadmium chloride gives cadmium 2 plus plus 2 Cl minus. So to Ag plus, to the Ag plus, cadmium 2 plus is doping. So when you're doping this cadmium 2 plus, that is called cation and anion. Size of the cation means by removal of electron, the size would automatically started to shrink. So it is always small in size in their original atom. So anion means it is always adding the electrons. So definitely from the atom, its original atom, the size would be increases. So what always anion would be larger in size, cation would be smaller in size, because in cation only by the removal of electron it is called cation. Only by the addition of electrons is called anion. When you add electron, the size would be increases. When you remove electron, the size would be small. So what always this is considered, cation is a smaller in size, anion is always larger in size. This is very, very important in this defects. So here a cadmium chloride is introduced to the silver chloride. So 2 Ag plus is replaced by 1 cadmium 2 plus. Here a diagram Ag plus Cl minus, Ag plus Cl minus. Like that alternatively we should draw here Ag plus and here also Ag plus. We removed 2 Ag plus and we have added only 1 cadmium 2 plus. That is what that charge is neutralized. So the electrical neutrality is maintained. So they are increasing in the electrical conductivities. These 2 points are very, very important because the neutrality is very important. Whether the conductivity will be decreases or increases, you should mention. Next example is sodium chloride. So to the sodium chloride, we are now doping some small amount of strontium chloride. So at the temperature of 660 to 1050 Kelvin, 1050 Kelvin, the temperature is maintained for sodium chloride by doping the strontium chloride. So here sodium chloride will give Na plus and Cl minus. Strontium chloride gives strontium 2 plus plus 2 Cl minus. This is monovalent, this is a divalent. So already I told you cation plus is a smaller in size and anion is adding electrons. So what it is a larger in size. So what a strontium 2 plus is, this is a monovalent. So what it should be balanced by adding, removing 2 Na plus by adding a 1 strontium. So what I have written, 2 Na plus is replaced by one strontium 2 place. So here a sodium chloride structure, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, Cl minus Na plus here, Cl minus Na plus, Na plus Cl minus, here Na plus. Here one Na plus and here one Na plus is removed. And this instead of these two Na plus, one strontium 2 plus is replaced. So this is vacant. So electrically, that is neutrality is maintained, so the electrical conductivity also would be increases, because due to doping the conductivity of solid started to increase because it started the vacant. Again another strontium 2 plus means another Cna will be removed, like that. That movement of the cation and anion simultaneously takes place, the electrical conductivity will be increases more and more. Then stoichiometric. Stoichio means equal. That is equal ratio of cation and the anion. So that is called here in this cation and anion. It is so for a stoichiometric equation we have four types I said: Schottky defect, Frankel defect, vacancy defect, interstitial defect. First, let us see this Schottky defect and Frankel defect, because these two are belongs to ionic compounds. These two are belongs to non-ionic compounds. First, we will see the ionic compounds. Conditions. What are the conditions? Let us see this. Radius ratio R plus by R minus is approximately 1. But here it is not equal to 1. The coordination number of Schottky defect is higher, but here the coordination number is lower. The coordination number is 6 and 8. Sodium chloride and cesium chloride is the example. Coordination number is 4. Here the example is, one of the example AgBr, here AgBr and Ag. Any silver halides you can take for this Frankel defect. So here in the main thing is condition for a Schottky defect and Frankel defect. One important question is, in both Schottky and Frankel, one same type of example to be taken, that is AgBr. Why their AgBr to be taken as a Schottky defect as well as in a Frankel defect? It's an important 3-mark question. We'll see that. Schottky defect and the Frankel defect. So in this Schottky defect, sodium chloride is the example, and the Frankel defect, zinc sulfide example. Sodium chloride Na plus and Cl minus, and Frankel defect Zn2 plus and S2 minus. So now we will see first Schottky defect. We will see Na plus is surrounded by Cl minus. So here Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus. Alternatively, we should write. So just we remove one now Ag plus, and here on Cl minus is removed. So well, now vacancy will be created here. So that is called cation vacancy, and this is an anion vacancy. Equal number of cation and anion are missing. So what in NaCl is a example for a face-centered cubic. One cation and one anion is missing. So the electrical neutrality is maintained, and also the density is increased or decreased, we should see. So when you remove, there is a vacancy is created. So definitely the weight will be reduced, because we are removing. So we have created a hole, space is there. So what are the density? For example, in the classroom, 2-3 benches are removed equally. Means first two benches removed, and then another 2 more benches are removed. Another 2 more benches removed, means that number of benches will be reduced. So the density, number of the benches will be reduced from the original number. For example, 20 members means it will be reduced to 10 numbers. Like that, the density is automatically decreased due to the large number of vacancies. So here zinc 2, let's see this consequences later we'll see. Zinc sulfide, zinc 2 plus and S2 minus. Here zinc 2 plus, S2 minus, zinc 2 plus, S2 minus is like this. But here zinc 2 plus is one of the zinc 2 plus is occupied to the interstitial site. That's what I said. Here one atom, here one atom, here one atom, here one atom. 4 atoms are there. Here one space is there. This is called lattice space. The vacancy space is called lattice vacancies. These are called lattice points. These points, between these points, one space is called lattice space. In this lattice space, this zinc 2 plus is going occupying. So what? It is just shifted from here to here. Because of small size, I already told you cation are small in size, anion are in a larger size. So due to smaller size, is going occupying in the interstitial size. So the movement is only by cation, not anion. Here not like that. Here cation movement as well as anion movement. So movement here in a Frankel defect only cation. So it escape into the interstitial position. but it is maintaining the neutrality. So electrical neutrality is maintaining, not going outside. So it is within this place only, just shifted its place. So electrical neutrality is maintained, does not affect the density, because density is not decreasing or increasing because not going any outside. So water, because of small size of zinc 2 plus, so it is go into the industrial size. Next consequences we will see the both Schottky defect as well as in a Frankel defect. So here missing of one cation and one anion. So the density of crystal decreases. So here density remains same because not removing any anion or cation. So here density decreases because some distortion is taken place in the hole formation, but no distortion is at all. So water here shows more electrical conductivity, but here show low electrical conductivity because here only cation is moving. Here both cation and anion is moving. So, and question I told you, which crystal shows both the Schottky defect and a Frankel defect? That example is, very good example is silver bromide. Because only the answer is what? Due to small size of Ag plus. Cations are small size, even that Ag is very small size. Radius ratio of AgBr is R Ag plus by RBr minus equal to 0.71 is a consistency value for silver bromide. So AgBr lies in a octahedral because it is a greater than 0.71. So what R plus by R minus 0.2252 to 0.414 is called tetrahedral structure, but greater than 0.414 is an octahedral structure. So Schottky defect movement, here a movement of cation and anion, and Frankel defect only the movement of cation. AgBr gives Ag plus Br minus. Already I told you, due to the small size of Ag plus from octahedral side to tetrahedral side, it transferred and it is precipitated out. So due to the small size of cation. Thank you, students.